Hello, in this video I will show you how to fix Warzone 3 crashing or not launching issue. Now if you're facing the issue, the first thing that you should do is to simply try to close the game properly from the task manager. So go to your start menu and go to task manager. And then in your task manager, just simply close everything related to Call of Duty. Like for example, the battle.net. Just simply close that. And just simply look for other things that is related to Call of Duty, like this one right over here. Again, just simply end the task. Now, once everything is removed from over here, close this panel and just simply see if your Windows has an update or not. So go to the settings option and then just simply look for your Windows update. And if there is an update, just simply update your Windows to the latest version and then just simply restart your computer to see if the issue is gone or not. Now, after you have updated your Windows, the next thing that you have to do is, you have to just simply check if your graphic driver has an update or not. So what you have to do is, just simply search for Device Manager. Then just simply open Device Manager. Now in Device Manager, just simply go to your display adapter right over here and see if it has update or not. So right click and choose Update Driver. Then search automatically for the driver and it will tell you if your driver needs an update or not. And as you can see right over here, my graphic driver is running the latest update. So if you have an update on your graphic drivers, just simply update that and see if the issue is fixed or not. And lastly, the main issue that you might be facing is because of the DirectX. So in order to run Call of Duty, you will need the DirectX 12. So you should get that. All you have to do is just simply open a browser and just simply search for DirectX 12. Then just simply download the official version from the Microsoft Store or Microsoft website, as you can see right over here. Then just simply install the setup file, as you can see right over here. Then click on save and save the download. Once it is downloaded, just simply open the setup and then click on agree. Then click on next and make sure to uncheck this box right over here. Then click on next and then it should start installing. And if you don't have the DirectX in your system, it will complete the installation. And if you do have the DirectX installed, it will also tell you that the DirectX driver is already installed in your device. So once you will do all of that, just simply restart your computer, and when you will do that, after you relaunch the game, you should not face the issue anymore. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.